Hey, what's up everybody? It's Corey Bakon, aka the Cut Coach. And today I'm going to do some restorative, healing, transformations with my model Maddie using the power of Tea Tree Hemp with its nourishing essential fatty acids to hydrate and protect the hair and the Demi, together giving her hair some TLC after the long summer months. My shade choice is equal parts 4NB and 4N. I want to add some warm dark chocolate depth to Maddie's hair and keep some natural warmth. This was my thought process for these shades. As you can see, Maddie's hair has been both naturally lightened from sun exposure and also some chemical lightener was used for a money piece. I do a root to end application and process for 20 minutes. I use the multitasking spray as a cutting lotion that will give some extra love while I'm sectioning her hair. The scent is amazing and gives a holistic feeling to the whole process. I begin Maddie's haircut by removing 1.5 inch from the perimeter before moving to the back of the head and layering in vertical sections from the nape to right below the crown section. This area is going to be cut 3 to 4 inches, removing a lot of bulk and heaviness. After checking the hair movement, I drop down the crown section and continue cutting in vertical sections into the crown. Next, I drop the side panels and use the hanging length as a guide to cut vertical sections 90 degrees from the head up to the parietal. I continue up to the top of the head, cutting rounded layers following the head shape. I do this to create some volume and movement in her hair. I go back and check the ends for balance, and then we're done with the haircut. I spray a little more of the Tea Tree Hemp multitasking spray before I begin her blow dry set. Pinning the hair while it's warm and cooling off will give it some volume that will last. I use a few drops of the replenishing oil in my hands for the comb out of Maddie's hair. And you can see the shine, the movement, the volume. Great results from a great product, Tea Tree Hemp. Hey, I really hope you enjoyed that. I had a wonderful time playing around with these products, the Tea Tree multitasking spray and replenishing oil. It brought a lot of wonderful restorative properties using the power of hemp. Made Maddie's hair look wonderful and added some shine and luster and body, and just to bring it all into a wonderful package. I really enjoyed doing it. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you liked the video, like the video down below and subscribe to the wonderful world of Paul Mitchell Pro and YouTube. Have a great day.